how I do. It's not too bad. No pressure. I think his was better. It's always a competition.
Welcome to Tibbet Farms. Welcome to Tibbet Farms. Say buckle up. Buckle up.
Good morning, everyone. If you're new, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. On today's agenda, we are cleaning out one of the last corn bins for the season. We'll start harvest here in about 15-20 days. We have about 1,000 bushels of corn left. We'll load it in the semi, take it to town. There's a mouse. Another mouse. See how much corn we got. Walking out here with all the bull snakes. Awesome. Come back. Not quite a full load, but it's some money. So all that corn in there, like I said earlier in the video, is fall of 2022 corn. We are cleaning out the bin for harvest for 2023. So we didn't sell that stuff in the fall, just thought maybe prices might get better, so you take the risk. Win some, you lose some. you. It's not too bad. All right, my throw is pretty good. It's your turn. No pressure. I think his was better. It's always a competition. Ooh. First ball. It is never easy out here. Get about a quarter mile down the road, tire's flat. Dane hasn't even left yet. Tarp won't work. So it's not just come out here and drive equipment and have some fun. It's something always goes wrong. As you saw at the beginning of the video, the motor wasn't working very well on the elevator sweep. So never a dull moment. Well, everything was running pretty smooth until we realized the tarp's not working. So just got done loading the semi. We'll take it to the elevator tomorrow, actually, not today. But we're gonna run home, work on the tarp a little bit. Dane's in the semi. Dad's on the M with the auger. I'm in the work truck. We're just heading there, work on that. It's we're gonna enjoy the afternoon. It's gonna be 75 today. It's been 100 all last week, so we're gonna go home and probably ride some four-wheelers with the kids and hang out outside. Just a short day. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you coming by, just seeing how our daily lives work on the farm. And let us know what else you want to see on video. We'll be doing some harvest videos obviously here coming up, but more shop time. What do you think? You let us know. Shop time, harvest, four-wheeler riding, you pick. Let us know what you want. Thanks again. See ya.